There are several logistics departments behind the scenes that handle storm events. We are materials logistics. We play a key role in making sure that we have the materials, poles, transformers you see in the background, cable, all the hardware needed to essentially rebuild the infrastructure when there's damage to it. We're used after the storm hits, but we prepare much earlier. We contact our teams, we build awareness, we make sure they go around to their work centers to make sure they have enough supply on hand to satisfy initial need. We talk to our pole vendor out of Massachusetts. We need extra poles. We get deliveries lined up for wherever they're needed. Our cable supplier brings cable in when we need it. So we're on board, up front, ready to go, and engaged our suppliers before the storm even hits. In each of the 3 states, we have 40-foot box trailers, 2 in each state. These box trailers are designed with shelving inside that hold pole line hardware, splices, cables, all the items needed to repair the infrastructure. When there's a major event localized to a certain area where we have crews, we mobilize these trailers, bring them in, staff them with stock handlers, bring transformers there, bring cable and cross arms. Crews come through, get loaded up, and take off. Once the crews get out, when they need material on the side of the road, they call back in, we dispatch out, deliver right to the pole. Our job is to make restoration for our crews more efficient. Whatever it takes to get the power back on. That's what they like, that's what we're here for.